Yo, what's up again? Welcome back, guys. This is your African boy, myself, Gabs, Gabi.
This is KD.
Yo, we are all from Africa, and today we are pulling up with something new. What is it?
2023 most viewed Indian songs.
Yeah, most
so
viewed.
Let's check, guys.
In YouTube, right?
Yeah, in YouTube.
Most viewed Indian song
on YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah. So before everything, which Indian song actually do you know? Or which is your favorite Indian song? Tell them.
Oh, come on, man! Like the hardest, man. All I do know is that. When before I came back from my country, I thought most of the actors are musicians. Like all of them,
they
whatever
sing,
song.
Right?
Yeah.
Because in every movie you see them dancing and singing. Exactly, I was having that.
Just like Shah Rukh Khan. You go shock.
Yeah.
It will shock you. So I thought in order for you to act in India, you must be a musician.
Yeah, you have to be a musician.
You have to be a singer.
But that's a lie.
Yeah,
actually, those songs are sung by other musicians.
Yeah. Just lipstick.
Yeah, exactly. That is
lipsticking, then you sing. But I saw that Shah Rukh Khan is a real musician and he has a lot of music.
There is one new song, man. I love it. It's called Jana Mary or something like that by King. King. Let me write. You know King? He got one trending song nowadays. Yeah. This guy. Oh my gosh.
Sing. Try.
Who is King? Do you know King?
How should I know King?
He's an
I know
Hindi musician. Man Mary Jaan. Man Mary Jaan is my favorite song. You want me to sing it? No need. Let's first listen, then I'll sing. Maybe I'm really sure it will be among our most viewed Indian song on YouTube. Definitely, I'm pretty sure.
There's a song I love in Shah Rukh Khan's movie.
Meri Jaan tu main mujhke pagal le gaya.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Tu mano Meri Jaan. If it's not among the most viewed Indian song 2023.
Yeah.
I'm not posting this video. Yo, let's go, guys. Without wasting time, make sure like and join the African family. Let's go.
मैंने पहली वाली छोड़ दी खानी मुक जाना पै गया शामां ने हुण याद तेरी ने आ जाना तू हवा से कोई सुनदा नमासे जाएगी मेरी तुझे इतना भी चाहो ना मुझे बिल्ली बिल्ली अख गोरिए अंडे मुंडे अनपढ़ गोरिए तेरे पीछे फिरन कवारे चमकीली लगती है फायर माचिस की तीली तेरे नाल ही नचना वे ट्रिप करांगे सारी रात नाही బైకు మీద రారు బాబా నేను టంటి టంటాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పలసరు బైకు हो सावधान तहारे नु बाटे हो सावधान तेरी बाई किता मैनू नी तबाह होया फिर दशदाई तेरी बाई लूट लिया घर यार का अच्छा से ला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का क्या बोलते कंपनी कमाए ले बहुत बने इनको लगा सारे बन रहे अगले लग रहे बहुत फनी आपस वाले मत कर आए बात उन कर एक पे किया तो दिल निसार क्या किया प्यार होता कई बार है प्यार में तेरे प्यार में दिल चाहता है बस भी धीरे चुपके से चोरी चोरी होने इंतजार मुझे तेरा इश्क में तेरे कालिया मुराद मेरा पल्ले पड़ गया यो कालिया मुराद मेरा पल्ले पड़ गया अनाड़ी मैं अनाड़ी तू खिलाड़ी मैं खिलाड़ी तू सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है
King.
Yeah, it's not. It's
He
not.
say it's not the most viewed. It's not the most viewed. What? Let me check. How come it's not the most viewed? And this song is among the populars.
Yeah, just call.
Huh?
Rob Crawford.
King.
We are talking. King Tarasa.
King. See, man, Mary John, man. On Mary John. Even he reacted with this guy, Nick Jonas. Also reacted with him. How many? 39 crore. Only 8 months. 39 crore. And it's not among the most viewed. It means Indian song, man, they're kind of big. It get a lot of views because this one is not among top 10.
Okay. Yeah, this music was the best. The
Yeah.
best of all.
Yeah, but I'm so sad. Why
Yeah,
King
sad,
is not
sad
there?
about your case. As
Yeah.
long as I saw Salman Khan, I saw.
Shah Rukh Khan
I didn't
also.
see. No,
Rihanna.
Shah Rukh Khan wasn't there.
I mean, also this guy of Brahmastra.
Mm.
This guy of
Kareena
Brahmastra
Kapoor.
was there. Yeah, Kareena Kapoor was there.
Yeah, that actor.
And my
that
favorite
actress,
actor,
like,
Tilipati Vijay. Much love, guys.
Telugu.
Yeah.
Telugu, I only know
It's Tamil.
Prabhas.
Yeah.
Yeah, only Prabhas. When you go to that side,
Mm.
Shah Rukh Khan, fun.
But they are not all singers. Do you
Yeah.
know that? They are not all
No, we know,
musicians. They are only
we
actors.
know. That's
Okay,
all being
guys.
acted.
Yeah, we love Indian music, guys. Yeah, we really love Indian music, and that was it.
Yeah, so please try to watch
Like,
and let us know.
mhm.
Yeah, let us know.
Let us know your favorite actor also from Africa only. Tell us your favorite. I am not actor, but your favorite musician from Africa. Make sure like, share, subscribe. Tata.